Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a close and detailed look at the brand new Toyota Yaris Cross Premier 2025. If you're someone who loves compact SUVs that combine smart design, advanced technology, and fuel efficiency, this might just be the car for you. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 Yaris Cross comes with a fresh, sportier look. You immediately notice the bold front grille, wider and sharper than before, giving the car a stronger road presence. The LED headlamps have also been redesigned with a sleeker profile, and they now come with adaptive lighting for better nighttime visibility. The side profile has a sculpted look with a floating roof design and new alloy wheels, giving it a premium, urban crossover vibe. And at the rear, updated taillights and a sharper bumper finish off the look nicely. Toyota has also added new colors to the 2025 lineup, including a striking dual-tone option. Now let's step inside the cabin. As soon as you sit inside the Yaris Cross Premier Edition, you notice the upscale materials. The seats are wrapped in high-quality leather with contrast stitching, and there's soft-touch material on the dashboard and doors. The centerpiece is a new 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system, paired with a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display. Everything feels more high-tech and connected. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it also includes built-in navigation, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. Now, here's something that really sets the Premier Edition apart: the ambient lighting package, heated front seats, dual-zone climate control, and a panoramic sunroof, features that you usually find in higher-end SUVs. You also get a hands-free power tailgate, which is super handy when your hands are full. Next up, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Yaris Cross Premier runs on Toyota's tried and tested hybrid powertrain, a 1.5L 3-cylinder petrol engine paired with an electric motor. Together, they deliver around 114 horsepower. While that might not sound like a lot, the hybrid system is incredibly responsive in city driving and provides excellent fuel economy, over 25 km/h in real-world driving. It also runs quieter than ever before, thanks to improved insulation and engine tuning. The driving experience is smooth, agile, and surprisingly refined. The suspension setup handles potholes and bumps well, and the steering is light but precise, making it perfect for city traffic. There's even an EV-only mode for short distances, where the car runs purely on electric power, ideal for reducing emissions in crowded areas. Safety is, of course, a top priority for Toyota. The Yaris Cross Premier comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, their most advanced driver assistance system to date. It includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert. These systems are designed not only to protect you but also to make everyday driving more convenient and less stressful. Let's talk about practicality now. Despite being a compact SUV, the Yaris Cross offers plenty of space for passengers and cargo. The rear seats are foldable in a 40/20/40 split, and the boot offers around 400 liters of space, more than enough for your groceries, luggage, or weekend getaway gear. Fuel efficiency and low emissions also make this SUV a great choice for eco-conscious drivers. And with Toyota's long-standing reputation for reliability, this car promises years of worry-free ownership. So who is this car for? If you're someone who wants the practicality of an SUV but doesn't want something too big. If you value technology, comfort, and safety, and if you're looking for a vehicle that's easy to drive in the city but still capable for longer trips, then the Toyota Yaris Cross Premier 2025 might just be your perfect match. And don't forget, being a Premier Edition, you're getting the best Toyota has to offer in this segment, in terms of both features and design. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a car review or an auto update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.